All right, let me finish this one quick. We kind of started here and we got this done, and then the negation of this column would be true goes to false, true goes to false, true goes to false, false goes to true. All right, and so then finally we're going to do the and in the middle. So this is combining the thing we just did and the thing we did previous. Okay, so we're doing the negation of that parentheses, P or Q, and we're combining it with not P. And again, remember that looks like an A, so it's an and. All right, so we're going to take this column and combine it with not P. And it's an and, so to tell the truth, everything has to be true. So false, false is going to be false, 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 false. True, false, one's true but not the other, so that's false. And true, true would actually be true. So this would end up being false, 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 and then true, true is true. And so, again, remember what that means is P might be I own a horse, Q is I have a red house. And so if you know that those are both true statements, then the final to whatever this is going to be false, okay? Or if I lied about both of them, the final statement about this is true, okay? So that can kind of go there. Same thing if you're doing something like this one. This has a Q and an R. Notice there's no P, so it's still a 3 thing. But you would want to make your chart, so I do R and Q, and then again do, true, 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 false, false, true, and what false, false. But then you'd want to do this parenthesis, get an answer to that. Over here, you'd want to figure out not R and not Q before you do this parenthesis. And then finally, you would combine these. So you have to do order of operations. So you have these guys, which is an and. These guys, again, looks like an A. That's another and then get the answer to this over here maybe. So like R and Q. And then get the answer to this guy, not R and not Q. All right, and so you kind of just do, again, like order of operations, get an answer here, here, and then finally combine those at the end, which is an OR, okay? I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I think that's about it on this review. If there's other problems you want to see, just send me an email and I